Can you imagine creating a Minecraft world in social studies? Building a robot in science class? Learning through coding, gaming, and innovative instruction across all content areas? Then Samuel Gaines Academy of Emerging Technologies, a K-8 STEM magnet school, is just the place for you. Be the first to discover a world of innovation that will prepare today's students for tomorrow's jobs. The Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math STEM magnet program will provide the foundation for students who want to design, create, and explore the future. The new Makerspace and Design Challenge classrooms, created in partnership with LEGO Education, open doors to endless exploration. The prestigious Cambridge Primary Program, Project Lead the Way, project-based learning modules, and school-based technology programs will expose students to computer coding, agri-technology, robotics, and virtual or augmented reality applications that support related majors and careers. As a Microsoft Incubator Model School and future leader in Me School, students grow as leaders and collaborators in global STEM studies. Come join us at Samuel Gaines Academy of Emerging Technologies, where you can find your passion and invent your future.